This is the white garden tractor, 25 horse. Let's take a look at how to remove the mower deck, 54-inch mower deck, and replace it with a Berco Snowblower. First thing we want to do is make sure the lawn garden tractor is on a level work surface. At the rear of the mower deck, in front of the rear wheels, we want to locate the attachments. We also want to look at the drive belt that's attached to the electric clutch on the bottom of the mower, and the front attachments for the deck that supports the front of the deck. Lower the mower deck to the lowest position using the hand control. Then, at the rear attachments, spring-loaded, pull them out so that the support arms are free. Do this on both sides. Now that the two rear attachments are removed, you can slide the mower deck forward to disengage the front support. Once the front support is free, you can push the mower deck back so it is free to be removed from the side. Now you can remove the front attachment for the mower deck by removing the cotter pin and the pins that hold it to the bottom of the frame under the muffler. Once the drive belt is removed, you can slide the mower deck to one side. Now that the mower deck is removed, we can mount the drive system for the Berco Snowblower. We need to suspend this part underneath with the two pins, and the front is supported on the frame. Now we insert the rear pin on one side and lock it with a cotter pin. We insert the support pin and cotter pin on the other side as well. Now we attach the drive belt from the pulley system onto the electric PTO. The snowblower attaches to the front with those two male spades going into the receiver, secured with the springs with the red handles. Long drive belt for the snowblower is fed through the frame up underneath the tractor. Reach through and pull the drive belt through the frame under the engine and attach it to the rear pulley system. Once the long belt is in place, we can add tension to the belt by lifting that lever. It is a struggle. Now we want to add the chain for lift assist. This takes some of the weight off the lever when you want to lift or lower the snowblower. Once the link is in the correct location, you can add tension to the spring by moving the lever down.